name. Uh, and so what I want to show you how to do now is actually how to forward your domain name to an existing URL so that you can have a little bit more branding over over your business. A lot of times, from what I found and in my experience, is that people don't so much care what the business is that you're in or that you're promoting. They identify more with the person that's promoting the business. So what I'm saying here is that people will buy into you as opposed to buying into whatever business or service or whatever it is that you're promoting. So that's the whole purpose of us getting a domain name. And so that's how I want to just show you how to differentiate yourself from a lot of the other people that'll be promoting whatever company or deal that it is that you're promoting. So anyway, we're here now. We're on GoDaddy.com, and we're going to take that same domain name that I just purchased, Viral Blogging Pays, and I actually already did it, but I'm still going to walk you guys through the step. If you want to log into whatever your account is, all you have to do is come here to where it says domain, and click on launch. And what that's going to do, that's going to bring you to a page where you have your various domain names that you own. You come here, we see Viral Blogging Pays, and you can see I just bought it, so it expires in 2015 or whatever. But here we go, domain names. And all you want to do is you want to come down to where it says forwarding. You can see here it says forwarding, and you want to go under manage domain. Okay, so that's all you got to do there. And you just click on hold on folks, you just click on manage, and what that's going to do for you is take you, as soon as you finish thinking, it's going to take you to this next little screen. Takes you to the screen here, and actually it's going to on the screen that you'll be seeing, it's actually going to ask you to, if this is your first time going in and doing it, it's going to ask you to add a domain name. And simply what you're going to do is you would come in and you would add it. It would be an add button that'll be somewhere around here. You add it, and I'm just going to go in here to edit, and this is the screen that you would see. Alright, so basically all you do is the HTTP will already be set up. You'll come and grab whatever URL it is that you want to use. I'm using this URL. This is what I'm actually promoting it for. You can see it's a blogging system, and I bought viralbloggingpage.com. So I bought something that related to what my capture page is going to. And that's where I'm forwarding in this information to. So when people go into viralbloggingpage.com, they'll go to this exact capture page that I'm using in particular for that. And what you do is you put it on 301, a permanent redirect, and you can forward. I forward with masking. That's because I don't want anybody to know directly what URL it is that I'm promoting. When you do forward masking, it'll actually just keep your domain name up in the URL browser, which just for you guys who don't know, is this area up here. This is the browser, and that URL will show the domain name. Instead, when you have it on forward masking, it will show the domain name and not show whatever the direct URL is that you're using. Okay, when you do that, they ask for you to put in the title and put in the description along with some keywords. And basically what I did was I just went to my to the capture page, and I just used the information from the actual capture page that I'm using. And the reason for me doing this is because I just want my whole message to be congruent for anybody that's following through. So when people see viralbloggingpage.com and then they go to this capture page, I want any messages that they see or associated with it to be all congruent and all in alignment and all relevant, speaking on the same issues. So you just do that, put in it in the description, add a couple of keywords, and then you're gonna push save or edit or whichever, either edit or save, whatever button is up there. Like I said, I just did it ahead of time for you guys before you guys got here, because I was kind of, just some of those things I just do naturally and forget to actually hit the record button to share. But I definitely wanted to share this with you guys, and also just share while we're doing that. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use subdomains. So you'll get two things in this video actually, because it's very similar in what you're doing. And you can see it's the domain name here, but subdomain beneath it. So what I'm going to do is click on Manage Subdomain, and you'll see viralbloggingpage.com, domain name for it, and lets you automatically direct your domain visitors to a different website. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a subdomain name for forwarding, and I'm going to the subdomain that I'm going to use is probably should have thought about this beforehand, but I'm actually going to put start, because start is what I'm going to use. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use join dot I don't have to put anything. What I'm going to do is just put join there /HTTP, and what I'm actually going to put in here is the join link to my business, so that the people who actually don't want to go through that whole process, they just want to go ahead and get started right away, they can do that, and just go ahead and go straight to the buy page for my business. And what I did just now is actually just took that URL and posted it in here, so that's going to go directly to join.viralbloggingpage.com, and people can instantly join my business right away simply by clicking on that link. And again, I'm going to forward this with masking, and I'm just, as a title, I'm just going to put viral blogging page. And I'm going to put join now. And the same thing in the description. I'm actually going to just copy that. Or actually, I'll still come here to my video. Well, no, because that's actually on the join page. Never mind. So I'm just going to add that same thing in there. Keywords. Still going to be viral blogging system. Forgot a G in there. I'm going to do viral blogging system, blogger, blog for cash, and how to make money blogging. And then I'm just going to add, and there I have now, when I'm marketing and doing my promotions, I can also use join.viralbloggingpage.com, and folks will be able to go directly over to my join page for my business. And after you hit save, it usually takes a few minutes for it all to populate. But what I'm going to do now is actually see if the first one, viralbloggingpage.com, and let's just see if it's set yet. And as you can see, it only took a couple of minutes, and you type in viralbloggingpage.com, you're now forwarded directly to this capture page that's talking about blogging and whatnot. As you can see, the URL doesn't show, only my URL shows, and it takes people directly to my capture page. So that was the goal and the purpose, to get a little bit of personal branding in with your marketing. So hopefully these tips have been helping you guys out. And I'm going to be sharing some more information about just viral blogging and viral blogging strategies moving forward into the next video. So tune into the next video, and I'll see you there.